Welcome back to my channel, Vehicle Buzz. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Honda Civic Type R, one of the most exciting performance hatchbacks on the market. Honda has taken everything we loved about the previous model and refined it, even further delivering a car that's sharper, faster, and more thrilling to drive. So, let's break down everything you need to know about this beast, from its exterior design to its performance and pricing. Starting with the exterior, Honda has kept the aggressive stance that made the previous Civic Type R such an icon, but with some key refinements. The front end now features a redesigned grille with a slightly larger opening for improved cooling, flanked by sleek LED headlights that give it a more modern, aggressive look. The signature red Honda badge and the Type R emblem sit proudly on the grille, reminding everyone that this isn't just any Civic. The hood features a functional vent to help with heat dissipation, and the front bumper has been redesigned to enhance aerodynamics. Moving to the side profile, the 2025 Civic Type R retains its wide body stance, giving it a muscular and planted appearance. The flared wheel arches house lightweight 19-inch alloy. Wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, offering excellent grip and stability. The aerodynamic side skirts and the subtle yet functional vents behind the front wheels contribute to the car's overall performance. At the rear, Honda has made some significant updates while staying true to the Type R's racing heritage. The signature triple exit exhaust is still present, but the center pipe is now slightly larger to improve sound and airflow. The massive rear wing remains a defining feature, but it has been revised to provide better downforce without compromising rear visibility. The LED taillights seamlessly blend into the sleek rear design, and the lower diffuser adds both style and function. Overall, the 2025 Civic Type R looks more refined yet just as aggressive as ever. Stepping inside, Honda has maintained the driver-focused cockpit that Type R fans love, but with a more premium feel. The cabin features high-quality materials, including suede-like upholstery on the seats and a soft-touch dashboard. The iconic red bucket seats provide excellent support, ensuring you stay firmly in place during spirited drives. The red stitching and carbon fiber trim elements add to the sporty aesthetic. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, allowing you to view key performance metrics such as boost pressure, lap times, and G-forces. The infotainment system has been upgraded with a larger 10.2-inch touchscreen, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless connectivity. Honda has also improved the onboard sound system, making it a better experience for those long drives. Practicality hasn't been forgotten either. The Civic Type R remains a four-door hatchback with a surprisingly spacious rear seat and a decent cargo area, making it one of the most versatile performance cars in its class. Now, let's talk about what really matters: the performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Civic Type R continues to use the legendary 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, but with some improvements. It now produces around 330 horsepower and 310 lb-ft of torque, making it the most powerful Type R yet. Honda has refined the turbocharger for better throttle response, and the 6-speed manual transmission remains, offering an engaging and precise driving experience. The improved rev matching system ensures seamless downshifts, while the limited slip differential helps deliver power to the front wheels more efficiently. Honda has also recalibrated the suspension, making the car even more agile while maintaining a comfortable ride. The adaptive dampers adjust in real time, providing the perfect balance between daily driving comfort and track-ready performance. Braking performance has been enhanced with larger Brembo brakes, providing excellent stopping power and fade resistance. The steering has been fine-tuned for better feedback, making the car feel more connected to the road. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or pushing it to the limit on the track, the 2025 Civic Type R delivers an exhilarating driving experience. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Honda Civic Type R is expected to start around $45,000, with fully loaded models reaching close to $50,000. While that's a slight increase from the previous model, the improvements in performance, technology, and overall refinement make it well worth the price. Its track-ready capabilities, aggressive styling, and daily usability, the Civic Type R remains one of the best performance cars in its price range. So, What do you think about the 2025 Honda Civic Type R? Is it the ultimate hot hatch? Or would you choose something else? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vehicle Buzz for more.